Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, and this time around we are going to unbox my new phone. Well, before we get to that, I'm just gonna show you a series of our old phones, me and my husband. So the phone I'm holding is a Techno Camon that my husband came with from Kenya, and on his birthday last year he upgraded to an S Note, Samsung S20 Note, which I gave him as a present on his birthday. Look at how that phone looks like after 1 year, guys. So this phone came to an end, let's say 2 days ago, when the bed frame kind of crushed the screen. And as you can see, the phone only has half a display now. And because of this, my husband decided to upgrade to the latest phone in the market from the S series, Samsung S24 Ultra. Before I go to that, let me show you my phone. I came with Infinix. I don't even know what category of Infinix this was. But that's my Infinix phone that I came with this kind of. That was somewhere in 2021 September. And look at how clean, how beautiful that phone looks like. So this is the S24 Ultra my husband bought himself 2 days ago. I'm just gonna show you how the S24 Ultra looks like. Yeah, that's the S24 Ultra. And what amazes me is that as we were talking about buying another phone, he kind of asked me what phone I thought was best. By then the iPhone 16 Pro Max had just come out. They were advertising it. It was just out in the market. They just launched it, and he was like, I think I need to buy an iPhone and try. And I thought to myself that that is what he was going to buy, but look at what came. When they delivered the phone, what I saw was an S24 Ultra. So I don't know what kind of research he did in the market and decided to buy an S24. And this is me now. This is me now unboxing my S23 Ultra. I know some of you will be like, how did you buy an S23 Ultra? An S24 Ultra is the best phone in the market now. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm not into technology. I'm not a tech guru. I'm not somebody who flows by what is on the market. I'm not somebody who looks at what is trending really. No, that's not my case. The reason as to why I've even bought this phone, which I don't even need, is because of content. I'm investing into content creation, and this phone is going to be part of my investments into this. When you are growing your business, you kind of invest in all the great things you can have. So this is me unboxing the phone, and I'm here bitterly complaining how Samsung is charging us lots of money, and the only thing it can pack in its box is like a pin and a cable. And I'm like, what the hell Samsung? Anyway, so let's unbox this phone. And guys, I just need you guys to tell me what is the difference between the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. So I bought this because of storage. That's the main reason as to why I bought an S23 Ultra. And again, another reason as to why I bought this is because the current phone I'm using to shoot my videos is an S22 Ultra. S22 has its main camera as 108 megapixel. S23 Ultra has its main camera as 200 megapixel. And so is S24 Ultra. So when I was weighing all this, I didn't see any need of me buying an S24 Ultra, because the main feature that made me buy a phone was the storage and the camera. I don't really use lots of any features in these phones apart from the camera bit of it. So that's why I didn't care much really about the S24, but just went for an S23. I think another solid difference I've seen between the S24 and the S23 is the fact that the S23 still maintains the Samsung's pride. That's what I call it, the curved screen. Guys, do you know when I was young, growing up, I wanted to own a Samsung phone because of this feature. The S23 Ultra maintains the curved screen, and so is the S22 Ultra. However, the S24 Ultra now has a new screen that is flat screened, and that is a replicate of most of the Android phones in the market. I must admit that with the flat screen as a new feature in S24 Ultra, the display is well enhanced, and this makes the size of the screen look bigger as compared to the S23 Ultra. Also, the materials used to build the outer casings of these phones are different. The S22 S23 Ultra are built of aluminium frame, and the S24 Ultra has a new material called the titanium frame. I'm not a tech reviewer, but in my opinion, the titanium frame casing that is used in making the S24 Ultra creates this compact feeling when holding your phone. It beats friction. It just gives you that grip you're looking for when holding your phone, and that's the main deal. Unlike the S22 and the S23 Ultra that feels like the phone is moving in between your fingers, the S24 Ultra creates trust between the phone and the owner of the phone. There's no difference in sizes of these phones. For all I think, the sizes are kind of the same. It's just that the S24 Ultra looks bigger. Okay guys, today was all about unboxing my new phone, and I've just shown you what my new phone looks like. It's the green phone, yes! And guys, I was shooting this video on my S22 Ultra, which I'll be showing you on my next video. So we're coming to the end of my video, and make sure to follow me on all my social media handles. Bye!